Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. Well, sort of an unboxing. These I ordered these on Amazon, came in a box with a bunch of other stuff. So anyway, I took this stuff out because this is all you really care about. Also, this is a paid promotion. I get to keep these straps, so I'll mark the video accordingly. So let's open up this one first. There are two different straps here. So this one, what does it say? Strapseeker P black stitch, and then this one is Strapseeker. I forgot the names of them. I'll leave a link in the description below to each of these straps. They're different styles, a little bit different colors. I have a watch in mind for each of these, so I requested these two different colors. Now, these kind of remind me of the Hirsch Robbie strap in a way. They have, I don't know if this is leather or what this is, but they're rubber backed, and they have this kind of a groove pattern here like the Hirsch Robbie does. I have one of those straps on a Damasco DS30. Alright, oh, I guess it comes with a strap tool. Didn't realize that was in there. Something else in here too. Okay, snap it, share it, win it. Promotional type thing, or warranty card. 6-month warranty. Alright, so that's nice to know, nice to have. I think I'll put these, this is be a quick overview of these straps here, and then I'll put them on the watch I have in mind for this. Actually, I have another DS30 I'm going to put these on. I think they'll look good on that watch. So kind of a carbon fiber weave pattern here. I don't think there was any spring bars in here. No, I don't see them anywhere, but oh, actually there they are right there. Okay, right in that package with the spring bar tool, so that makes sense, I guess. This thing kind of already poked the hole through here, but anyway, let's get the other one open. These are, I think these ones were $40 and I think these were $50. I guess I'll leave a link in the description. Actually, it'll be right to Amazon. It'll be an affiliate link too. So you go, rubber backed, and then this one has this canvas, I guess I would say, kind of like the Christopher Ward hybrid strap. Yeah, it feels nice. And it's kind of a moisture wicking pattern here, or air to come in too. Air circulation. Nice brushed buckle on both of these. Looks to be the same buckle. These are 20mm width. They have 20 and 22mm strap widths available. Yeah, they feel nice. So just a quick look at these. I'll put these on. I think I'm gonna do this one on my Zen U50. I'll do this one on my Damasco DS30, and I'll upload that video maybe in a week or so. I'm gonna try and wear these on wrist for a bit too, just to get a good feel for them. So, all right, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I really appreciate it, and it really helps me out. And as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.